Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another amazing make money online video. This is a strategy that not a lot of people are using right now because unfortunately not so many people are committed to the strategy just yet, which means there's a big opportunity for you watching this video right now to tap into the strategy and generate a ton of money online. I personally use the strategy myself for multiple businesses that I run online, and honestly the results have always been amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on Facebook using the Google Adsense program. Now, if you guys are not familiar with what Google Adsense is, it's basically where Google is able to paste adverts within your blog posts or even within your YouTube videos because Google owns YouTube. So it's similar to the YouTube Adsense program. It's just a different type of content platform, basically. Okay, so I'm just going to switch over to my computer and show you guys step by step how to get started with this strategy. So the first thing that you are going to need, of course, is a blog. So your blog is essentially the foundation to generating that income with Google AdSense. Having your blog or your website is super, super important because if you don't have that, then there's no way you can make any money with the Google AdSense program. So let me show you guys how you can get your blog set up in the fastest time possible. Okay, so in order to get your blog set up, if you don't already have a blog, I strongly recommend that you check out this amazing platform called Bluehost. Now, there's going to be a link in the description below this video. You can click on that link and that's going to grant you access to an amazing discount, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go and just click on Get Started Now. And as you can see, they have so many different membership levels that you can join. And for like literally less than $3 a month, you can actually get started with creating your blog. It's less than $3 a month for the cheapest membership here. And you can create 10 websites. You've got 10 gigabytes, which is plenty of storage, by the way. So I recommend you start at this level. Okay. I don't think you really need all these other features, but you can always upgrade in the future if you wanted to. And then you just want to select that basic package. Okay. And then what you're going to be able to do here is you're going to be able to select a domain name of your choice. So you just want to go ahead and, pick a name for your website. So let's say I was going with something like my best juices, right? Just something random. And then I always recommend a .com, okay? Unless you're in a location specific kind of niche, maybe you're specifically targeting, I don't know, properties or something in a particular location, then you can go with a .co.uk if you're based in the UK like myself. But to be honest, I usually just recommend .com is universal and it's something that can easily be found as well. So if we just do next, and that's going to tell us whether or not that domain name is available. So it is available for registration. And I think it's actually included for free with this web hosting package, which is just amazing. So you don't have to go out there and buy a separate domain name. Then you just want to go ahead and complete your details here. Of course, very, very straightforward, very self-explanatory. Key in your payment details. So if you wanted to go with a 12-month plan, then it just means you have to pay, for the 12-month period in advance. But if you really think about it, guys, it's less than $34 for an annual web hosting, right? This is crazy. Less than $40, guys, to get your website. Like that's the biggest expense that you are going to have when it comes to creating your blog. And once you go ahead and you make all the payments, you should have your account set up and ready to go. And you will be able to log into your WordPress dashboard, okay? Now, once you have your Bluehost account set up, you will be able to go ahead and actually activate your WordPress website, which is very similar to this. So that will allow you to log into the dashboard. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the key pages set up on your website. And this is really, really important for getting your account approved for the Google AdSense program. So if I just go to pages here, in your case, you have no pages. So you want to go ahead and add a new page. And I recommend that the 3 pages that you add are the About Us page, Contact Us page, and privacy policy. These 3 pages are really, really important in getting your account approved for the Google AdSense program because it is in fact a requirement to have those pages, set up for your website as part of the Google AdSense approval process. So you want to make sure you have those pages set up, okay? So once you have your pages set up, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and, start creating your blog post. So now you have your blog ready to go. You want to start creating as much content there as possible. And I recommend that you start with at least 10 different high quality blog posts, anywhere from 800 words to 1,000 words. Those articles tend to work very, very well. Okay. So if you're struggling with, blog content to create on your website or your blog, then I recommend that you guys check out ChatGPT, of course. And what we are going to do here is we're just going to go here and just, search for a prompt. Really, really simple. I'm just going to go there and I'm just going to ask ChatGPT, please provide me friendly blog topic juicing, right? Okay, as you can see right here, ChatGPT is literally giving us topics that we can talk about on our blog posts. Look at that, right? So these are content ideas that you can start creating, and you can use this prompt with any niche of your choice, right? If you're doing weight loss, fitness, bodybuilding, the more niche you are, the better for you, right? So now I've got 10 content ideas of what I could talk about, the top benefits of juicing for your health. I can actually go here and just, put that there as my first blog post. Like, you literally have 10 article ideas of what you can start talking about. And now I can go here and I can just say, please write a 1,000 word article on number one, right? Look at that. It's literally creating the blog post content. Now, one thing I would recommend is that you don't just go ahead and copy this content and put it in your blog post, because here's the thing, right? A lot of this content on ChatGPT is coming from different parts of the internet. So if you're just copying information here and pasting it on your blog, guess what's going to happen? Google is going to flag that up as copyright information. But what I do recommend you do is you use this as a guide, right? Use this as a guide. Make it your own thing, paraphrase it into your own thing, expand it into your own words. Don't just copy and paste this content. Now, if you're like me and you don't like the stress of, going through the process of trying to create a website, going through all the technical headaches yourself, doing all the content, then I recommend that you guys check out Digital Wealth Flippers for Done For You website. Okay, if you go to the website and just go to Done For You website here, you are going to see a ton of different ready-made websites. Okay, so this websites not only come with products that you can start selling right away, but it also comes with done for you blog posts. Okay, so every website comes with at least 5 blog posts that have already been created for you, and every single website is going to come with different pieces of content. So if you find the process of actually building your blog or your website overwhelming and you're looking for the shortcut, then I strongly recommend that you guys check out this platform. Okay, so for less than $500, guys, you can actually get your own done for you website. Okay, so here's a juicing one, for example. If you go to the live website, you can see what it looks like live. Okay, now these websites come with not only blog posts. So as you can see, there's blog posts already created here. And just to bear in mind, if you were to purchase this website, it's going to come with different pieces of article, just so every website doesn't look the same, and to avoid duplicate information, because again, it's not right for every website to have the same piece of content. So what you get is a website. Your logo is going to be designed for you. It's going to have your business name, your domain, everything will be registered, web hosting, so you don't have to go buy anything through Bluehost. Everything will be set up for you at the back end. Comes with all the blog content, at least 5 pieces of content to get you started with. And if you wanted more content added, then that can also be done at the back end. But here's the beauty about this done for you websites, guys. You don't only have to rely on that Google AdSense money. Why? Because this websites also come preloaded with digital products that you can start selling right away before your account even gets approved for the Google AdSense program. That's the beauty about this websites, guys. Like, you can actually generate multiple streams of income beyond just relying on that Google AdSense paycheck, because to be honest, it's not a lot. Okay, it's not a lot of money. It's not something you can rely on full time, especially when just getting started. You can't rely on the Google AdSense money because it's literally pennies per view. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have a website that has other streams of income. So this one is digital products, because now you can actually make money selling digital products and recommending digital products within your blog articles, right? So within this blog post, I could easily recommend, products like this for someone who's reading that content to buy it, right? It just makes it very easy for me to generate that passive income. And here's an affiliate product here, as you can see. So this websites are allowing you to generate multiple streams of income beyond just relying on that Google AdSense paycheck. And you're just monetizing in different ways, okay? And again, these websites come with the ability to build your email list, which is really, really important, because think about it. When you have an email list, right? Every single time you have a new piece of content, you can send them that piece of content, right? Like a newsletter that brings them back to your website, which means you can continue to make money from that traffic over and over and over again. And again, all those websites come with all those pages I talked about us, contact us, privacy policies, terms and conditions, which, I mean, think about it. If you were to apply for the AdSense program and you had a website like this, I don't see why you have a problem getting approved. This looks like a professional website. It has other products that are being sold there beyond just, blog posts and creating content, right? Which just makes it very, very legit, and it becomes very easy for you to be approved for the AdSense program, okay? So if you guys are looking for the shortcut, go to Digital Word Flippers, go to Done for your websites. There's so many different niches here that you can tap into and get your website up and running in 7 days or less, okay? And I'll leave the link below this video to this platform to check it out, okay? Now you have your blog ready to go and you've got some amazing content within your blog. The next thing you want to do is you want to start promoting that content using Facebook Reels. Remember, you are a completely new business and nobody knows about you. Especially if you're just getting started, you don't have traffic coming to your blog or your website just yet. So you need to go out there and leverage platforms like Facebook to actually bring you tons and tons of traffic from social media. This is free organic traffic that you can bring from social media over to your blog. And the reason why you need to do this before you even apply for the Google AdSense program is because when you start getting people actually visiting your blog or visiting your website, guess what? It actually shows Google that you are a legitimate website, you are a legitimate business. There's already some activity happening on your website, which makes it even easier for you to get approved for the Google AdSense program. It's just another great way to build that credibility and just start getting that traffic to your website. Because at the end of the day, like I mentioned before, you don't want to rely on just the Google AdSense program alone, because to be honest, it's not a lot. But because this video is about Google AdSense, I'm going to show you guys how to do that either way. But again, like I said, I don't make a lot of my money from Google AdSense. The majority of my money actually comes from my own products and affiliate products. Okay, so now you have your blog ready to go and you've got some amazing content. The next thing you want to do is you want to start promoting that blog. So in order to do that, I recommend that you guys use Facebook, okay? Not only do they have billions of users already congregating here, but you can actually attract traffic much, much faster and start sending all those people back to your blog. Now, to do that, you are going to need a Facebook business page. If you don't already have a personal account on Facebook, do register for a personal account first, and then via your personal account, you can then create a business page, because you cannot create a business page if you don't have a personal Facebook account. So to do that, if you just go to your Facebook homepage and then you go to pages, okay, we just scroll down there, we're looking for pages. Do this on your computer, guys. Don't do this on a mobile phone, okay? So you want to go here and you want to go ahead and create a new page. So this is then going to allow you to actually create a business page, a professional business account. And the beauty about having a business page on Facebook and actually creating content via a business page is the fact that you can actually scale with ads in the future. And I'll show you guys some examples of how I'm able to do this. So in the section here, you want to go ahead and just give your page a name. Now, I recommend that you give it a similar name to what your website is all about, so you have that branding consistency. So make it very similar to what you already have as your domain name on your website, so you have that brand consistency. So again, you want to make sure you just go ahead and just complete that information. Then it will ask you to create your page. Now, once your page is ready to go, what you want to do is you want to start creating Facebook Reels. The reason for that is because Facebook Reels are actually being pushed out the most right now. And, even on the business page where reach is really, really limited in terms of like free traffic, when you create Facebook Reels, you have the potential to actually attract a lot of free data, because Facebook are trying to push out this feature as much as possible to keep people within their platform. What I would do here is I would just search for Instagram Reels. And then you just want to come here and create a blank Instagram reel. So what you're going to do here is you are going to be creating a reel based on the blog post that you've just created, and you want to do this with all the different blog posts that you've created. So let's use this as an example: top 10 benefits of juicing for health. So what I'm going to come here and do is I would just find a video that is related to something like juicing, for example, because we're talking about juicing. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to, let's just move this one. As an example, I'll just drag it here since we're talking about juicing. So you want something that's related to juicing. And the beauty about Canva is they have a ton of free templates. I am on the Pro account, but you don't have to go with the Pro one, okay? I'll leave a link below this video, guys. You can register for the free Canva account. All the platforms I'm talking about is going to be linked in my description to check them out, okay? So you want to go ahead, put a video here, and then just add text, right? And then that text can be to start juicing today, right? Something that's going to captivate them, not just, it doesn't have to be the same topic as your blog post, but Make sure that is something that's captivating, but also relevant to your blog post. So when you put something out like this and somebody clicks on that reel, guess what? You can then send them to your video in your blog post, right? So when they open that reel, then there's going to be a link, obviously taking them to your blog post, which then essentially is the blog you've just created, providing the benefits of juicing, right? And why they should really get started with juicing right this very moment. This is exactly what I'm doing right now, guys, with my Facebook page for Mom's Closet. I am sending people to a lot of like blog posts and blog content, and I'm currently running a few ads as we speak right now, just retargeting all that data that is watching all my content here. Okay. As you can see right here, here's another reel, guys, just promoting a blog post that I have right now on my blog. So you can see right here, this is actually taking people to a blog post right here within my website, Mom's Closet, right? And here's the beauty about this strategy, guys. Within this blog post, you can see here's actually an ad. That's a Google ad, right? I have Google AdSense on this website right now. Here's another ad here. But here's what's even better. This blog post is actually promoting my other products. This is actually a product that I'm currently selling right now. This is actually my book as well for moms, 365 Days of Motivation. It's actually a paperback book on Amazon. So you can see right here, I'm not just relying on the Google AdSense money alone, because to be honest, it's not a lot, but it's still something, right? It's still free money, basically, just sending people to my blog post. This one here, as you can see, is an affiliate product, sorry. This one again is, just getting them to sign up to my email list. So this blog post is actually doing a lot of things beyond just relying on the Google AdSense income. This is an affiliate product here, again, that I'm earning commissions from right now. This is a product that I currently sell, pamper boxes. Here's my book being promoted here again. Here's another ad. So this is literally multiple streams of income being generated on this one blog post, right? And I'm currently running an ad as well for this particular blog post as well. I've got 3 different ads being run right now. You can see this one that I've just showed you guys. I'm actually running a retargeting ad right now on this blog post, and it's getting a ton of traffic, okay? Ton of traffic back to my blog. Like I said, if you're having difficulties creating your own blog, again, go to Digital Wealth Flippers. Invest in a website, guys, that comes preloaded with digital products, physical products that can generate you multiple streams of income. And, it just becomes a one-time investment to literally unlimited income streams, okay? Amazing. So now you have some activity coming to your website. Hopefully you're getting some traffic from social media. The next thing you want to do now is you want to go ahead and apply for the Google AdSense program. This is where you're going to be able to put ads within your blog post, within your content, and you are essentially going to be able to generate some revenue from, people viewing your content and people clicking on those ads as well. Okay. So to get started, guys, you just want to go here and just click on Get Started. And then you just want to follow the instructions, guys, step by step to get your account registered. And once your AdSense account is set up, guys, you will be able to log into your dashboard similar to this. And then you just want to go to sites, and then you want to add your website. That's literally the first step that you are going to be taking, on your Google AdSense account. And then all you want to do, guys, is just key in your website name and then click save. And then Google is going to take the time to run through all those checks. They're going to check for the quality of your content. They're going to check that you have all your pages set up. And again, if you have that traffic already coming into your website from Facebook, then it just makes it very easy for your account to get approved. A lot of people have difficulties getting their Google AdSense account approved because, they're setting up new websites, or they're just creating websites and not doing anything with it and hoping that they're going to get approved, or, they're just breaking other policies that, are not allowed, or they don't have the right pages. It could be anything, guys, that will stop you from getting approved. And some people tell you that you cannot get approved unless you've been active for at least 6 months. With my brand, Mom's Closet, I applied for the Google AdSense program when it was just about 3 months old, to be honest. And I've heard of new websites. I'm talking about websites that are like a month old that are getting approved for the AdSense program because they've actually gone ahead and created great quality content. They're doing all the right things. And, like I said, there's nothing stopping you from getting approved for the AdSense program if you followed all the steps that I've showed you guys here, okay? You would then be able to go and actually display ads. So if you go to the ad section here, you'll be able to go and actually get your ad code. And then you can actually copy your ad codes and put them on your blog post within your content and on your website. And that's eventually going to start displaying all those ads on your website. And that's how you are now able to get all those pop-ups that you saw on my website, and you're able to start generating income from the Google AdSense program, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful in terms of just getting started with the Google AdSense program and, not just AdSense alone, but generating multiple streams of income, just using the platform Facebook. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know below this video. If you are going to be trying it out, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.